Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the truth behind prop firm and truth behind trading in general. And I think we're gonna learn something important about ourselves because um, at the end of the day we're gonna learn something that we have to avoid in order to be profitable because you know, today we're gonna see the stats about my forex fund, one of the most famous prop firm, and yeah, honestly, uh, I'll make a little spoiler. These stats are depressing, 100%. So, okay, move on. I will show you uh, what I'm talking about. And first of all, I want to shout out my forex fund because these stats. Um, and at the end of the day, I want to say that prop firms are not evil, and this is just a business model. So, of course, they're gonna make money on losing traders. Okay, that's normal, guys. Okay, 97% of traders losing money. This is the I think one of the most huge win ratio for a company. Okay, so yeah, they will make money on losing traders. Okay, so yeah, we have these stats, we have these analytics, and yeah, my forex fund stats are back. Okay, let's start with October 2021. Okay, a new live account are more than 3,544. Okay, yeah, more total amount of payout. Yeah, really impressive. Over 1 million, almost 1 million and a half. The most traded pair is XAU USD, basically gold, and most profitable pair is GBP AUD, and least profitable pair is GBP JPY. Okay, now I'm understood why no most than 50 guys asked me the same questions about GBP JPY. No, I don't think there is something wrong with it. Probably just a bad spread compared to major pairs. But yeah, if you have a good feeling with GBP JPY, it's a good pair. Okay, so okay, let's do quick math. Let's take calculator. Cool. Okay, so 3,544, 18% past the phase one. So only 18%. Basically from 3,500, only six under 137 past the phase one. So let's say 640. Okay, just to simplify everything. Okay, so and only the 31% of who passed phase one passed the phase two. Okay, so basically 31%. So less than 200. Okay, so now let's again 200. Okay, and of those starting from those numbers, 200 traders who passed phase one and phase two, only 4% of them reached their first profit split. So basically, 8 people. Okay, less than 8. Okay, so from over 3,500, only 8 people, only 8 traders reached their first profit split. And read with me, the pass rate was particularly high this month because our violation system was missing a large number of violations. So basically, this was a good month for traders. Okay, so let's go on November. Okay, maybe something changed. Let's see. Okay, more live accounts. So almost 6,000. Almost 6,000. Basically 5,718. And yeah, huge payout. Okay, over almost 3 millions. Okay, shout out to my forex fund. And again, most trader pair was gold. Most profitable was gold this in November, and least always GBP JPY. Okay, this time compared to the first compared to October, only 10% passed the phase one. So basically 571 passed the phase one. So if you don't believe me, let's do the math with the calculator. Okay, 571, and only 24% of trader who passed phase one passed phase two. So 571, 24%. So basically worse than the previous month. So only 137 traders passed phase one and phase two from this huge number, okay? From 6,000 almost. So, and only, even worse again, only 3% reached their first profit split. Okay, basically eight traders in October and 4 traders in November. So guys, 11 traders in 2 months reached their first profit split. Okay, so it was really depressing, but it was the reality of prop firm and the reality of trading in general. And some some takeaways from their datas and some interesting points are that over 60% of traders don't use a stop loss and have an high risk of ruin, which means over 60% of those crazy guys or girls use and don't use stop loss. Okay, so if you don't use stop loss, you will lose your money 100%. Okay, sooner or later, doesn't matter how much luck you have, but you will lose your money. So you please use stop loss. Don't be stupid. Treat this as a business, not as a gambling. Okay, so if you are a gambler, I have no prayers for you. But if you are a serious trader and a professional trader, you must use stop loss to protect your money. Okay, so again, the traders who have made their fourth pay cycle allow a risk management strategy of below 3% risk on any given day. Basically, I think this is the most interesting part with this one, and this is what I always teach to my students. Never risk above 3% daily. Never. I honestly prefer to don't risk over 1% daily. Okay, in a prop firm, because I have a strictly rules. So if you are involved in this challenge of verification, I suggest you to use maximum 1 or 2% daily. So it means if you risk 1%, you have only 2 stop losses a day. So if you take 2 stop losses in a row, you're done for the day if you risk 1%. In this case, 3. I prefer 0.5, 0.5 and maximum 2 losses in a row. Okay. And the profitable traders are in the market less than 4 hours per day, which means, again, more time you spend in front of your screen, more bad choices you take. Because at the end of the day, mm, we have a lot of opportunity in the month, in the weekly, but not every day. So if you spend a lot of time in front of your screen and you force the process, probably you have a problem with your emotions, with your mindset. Okay, so if you have a problem with your emotion and your mindset, and you have to trade, you need to work on yourself to understand why you want to be in front of your screen. Especially because a lot of you guys told me that basically love trading because freedom. So what's the point to be free if you have to spend 10 hours, 12 hours a day, even more in front of your screen? Okay, so learn. We can learn from these stats because we have these statistics and we can study it and we can see what profitable traders do. Okay, so the profitable traders are in the market less than 4 hours a day. Okay, and okay, this is subjective in my opinion because the most profitable traders don't hold traders trade overnight. Okay, and or they don't hold trades over weekend. Okay, honestly depends on what kind of trader you are, because if you are a swing trader and know what you're doing, I think there is not a big problem. Okay, if you open a trade and just hope uh, to getting back in profit, maybe from the drawdown, maybe yes, because it's again it's a mindset problem. Okay, you will not cut your losses and you will not take your profit. Okay, that this is one variable. But if you are a swing trader, if you follow a certain set of rules, and if you know what you're doing, in my humble opinion, that's not a big problem to hold trade over weekend on overnight. Okay, this is I think the most depressing things that you can read today. You can see today with me. There are only 5 traders who are on their eighth payout on evaluation live account, which means doesn't matter how many traders try to get money from them, only 5 traders reached their eighth payout in on evaluation live account. Okay, only 5 account in all, I think, on the my forex fund history. Okay, again, that's not a surprise for me because if we read all the disclaimers on brokers, etc., they already told us. Okay, they already told us the reality of this game. Basically, 97% of traders losing their money in the first 3 months. So I'm not surprised. Okay, but yeah, it's depressing, and that's why you need a solid strategy. That's why you need an elite education and time to figure it out what you have to do on the real charts, because this is not easy. So if you have unrealistic expectation, probably you will give up because you will realize that that's not easy. So set realistic expectation, and I think you will get it 100%. Because let's say, I don't know, I will make a stupid example, but if you love MMA, the mixed martial arts, and I love MMA, and I decided to practice MMA, and tomorrow I'm go into the MMA gym, and I set realistic expectation like, okay, I wanna improve my uh, fighting skills. That's cool. If I step into an MMA gym, and the first day you think, okay, in 6 months I will be UFC world champion, that's an unrealistic expectation. So what's gonna happen in the next 6 months? Basically, you will realize that what you had in mind uh, was not realistic. So you have to set realistic goals, or maybe just give up. Okay, if you don't want to give up on trading, you need to set realistic goals. Okay, little goals and follow the same step over again. All of them trade conservatively and make sure they get paid. Basically, they said, okay, if you reach profit, take this profit out from the prop firm. That's all. Why you have to risk this money? This is free account basically. When you are funded, that's not your money. So when you make, I don't know, 5,000, 6,000, so 5, 6%, 7%, why don't you take this money out? Because if you read 6,000 on the screen, that's virtual, that's not real. When you take it out, that's real. This money are real, and you can use this to feed your own account, your personal account, or just to feed your family, to celebrate your goal, etc., etc., etc. So they make sure they get paid, and none of them risk more than 2% per trading day. So basically, again, the people, the only 5 traders that reach their 8th payout, basically don't risk more than 2% daily. That's exactly what I said earlier, okay? And they stop when they have reached, again, 4 to 8% in profit. Okay, that's all. You make profit, just wait for your payout, take this money out, and continue to trade your live account, your personal account. Okay? So after all, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So make sure you get paid and keep your risk as low as possible. Okay? Again, I want to shout out MyForex Fund for this data, because I think it's very, very important for new traders to realize what is real for real, that a prop firm, a business like this. Okay, so guys, please work on your mindset, work on your risk management, work on your trade management, because those 3 are the most important things for a trader. About technical things, you can learn from everywhere, from YouTube to, I don't know, paid course, masterclass, bootcamp, etc., etc. But if you don't realize the true nature of these games, you will be in trouble. You're struggling because you don't know exactly what you have to do and what the most important things. So risk management, money management, and mindset are 3 most important things in this game, in my opinion. Okay. Again, guys, I don't know if you already know, but I launched my academy, 8th Dimension Trading Academy. So if you want to show me love, please subscribe and follow my new adventure. And yeah, see you in the, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday. I will post a new video. So stay tuned. Have a nice day.